Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to allow usage reporting in the Avenza Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the general button. And within this section, look for the allow usage reporting button. And in order to enable it, just click on the white circle next to it. And once it turned orange, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.